This is Pogi 894. I'm gonna teach you a tutorial, not a card trick. This is called Amazing Red Blue Sandwich. This is created by Nub Magician. So please check it out. He has a great channel. Please subscribe. He has 64 likes. So please watch the performance. Okay. Here's the tutorial. What you only need here is the red back jokers and a pair of normal decks. Shuffle it. Okay. Now let the spectator select any card in the pack. So let's cut it. Tell the spectator when to stop.
Stop. That's Ultimate Warrior.
So it's the two of spades. What you're gonna do here is swing cut to the top. So let's put it here on top. And catch a pinky break. Then what you do is a double and cut it to the top. There. Now the selection is on top. Now what you do here is a pinky break. Push. And let the jokers make a traditional sonic load. There. Set the jokers down. Don't let the spectators see the cards selection. Now what you do here, cut the cards. Face up joker first.
Double leaf.
Yes. And the second with the selection. Then complete the cut. And whatever you do, snap. Let's say abracadabra.
Abracadabra, may taong mabata.
And joker found your selected card to a stage. Thank you.
Yeah, let's see it as a performance.